Hi, my name is Katya Mokretar, and I'm here at the OncoDEEP International User Group meeting in Cologne. I've did a presentation today which was on our implementation of the HRD and the whole OncoDEEP panel.
My name is Gareth. I'm the scientific director now. I think I'll start with this is to say actually one of the things that we have appreciated most is the working relationship with OncoDNA. It was a whistle-stop tour of some of the decision points when setting up a comprehensive genomic service. So we had two pressures coming to us: bring your turnaround times down, but report on more stuff. So we needed something that could do this. The OncoDNA kit, it's got a really good number of genes. It can do HRD, CMV and LOH, which is something we really needed to do as well, and MSI and TMB. Pretty much everything we were looking for, really. The OncoDNA panel actually ticked all of those boxes for us, allowing us to do more runs, bring the turnaround times down, and make sure that everything we expected to cover on the National Test Directory was covered. And also then how we validated that. In clinical labs in the UK, we have to independently optimize and validate all of the assays that we use and show that our entire pipeline is fit for purpose for clinical use. And this is not a trivial task. We were really ahead of the curve in getting this set up because of the help we got from OncoDNA, the fact that this was all plumbed into one panel.
When I did the slides, there were 3,129 samples. I've seen the data from about 2 days ago when they were over 3,200. We were talking a lot about why we chosen to go with OncoDEEP, why this is now our comprehensive genomic panel solution in the lab.
The algorithm has been tweaked somewhat since we first did this to bring it into closure to light. And that was through conversations we had working together between us and OncoDNA, and actually fed into what you were doing anyway. Through cooperation with that, where we've got an even better assay for everyone. So I thought that was a good collaboration.
An event like the International User Group meeting is important because it brings users together. It adds value to what we do. We are able to share results, we are able to share problems, and we are able to talk about how to overcome them.